Today is a super special haul from my favorite Haitian designer, Notre Designs. Let's get right into it. Now, today is a haul from my favorite designer. This is a channel about fashion, lifestyle, and just a little bit of beauty, and today it's all about fashion and all about one of my faves. So I have a huge package here that I want to share with you, and I'm also going to style them up and see what you think, but let's get right into it. So before I even get started, I want to call out this super cute touch from the brand that says thank you for the support. In here comes a bunch of stuff, including a coupon, and I'll tell you about that coupon in a second. Shh, I'm not sure that I'm supposed to share, but I'm going to share it anyway. It gives me garment care tips as well as a thank you with the coupon, and I'm going to share that in a second with all of their social media and how you can catch them. So my favorite part, I love ordering from this brand because my favorite part is the stickers that they send. They always send just a couple stickers. This time they went overboard with the stickers, and I love every second of it. This one has a bunch of stickers that I'll have to do a cutaway to show you because they are just so lovely. You have ones that have the country on it, the one with the bear holding the flag, that's my favorite. Creole vibes only, and then oh, this one here, this Haiti one is amazing. A lot of them say Creole vibes only. Creole is the language, Haitian Creole is the language that we speak in Haiti. But yeah, why work out when you could compa all night long? Compa is a Haitian style of dancing where you just get so crazy and sweaty and have a good time. Just let caution go to the wind. Anyway, these are my faves. The stickers are always awesome. But let's get into why we are here today. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts and a sweatshirt. And I'm gonna start with these t-shirts and save the sweatshirt for last. This very first one has a lot of cool colors on this one. I don't have this one yet. Let's get into it. It says, God made Haitian women and it was good. Yes, I love this. So I imagine myself wearing this with something very Caribbean, just very, you know, ruffly and bright. I think I would, like how she has her bonnet tied here, I would probably tie this to the side to show some waist. I think this is going to be such a cute look when I wear this. I'm thinking I'm saving this for summer because it's just so fresh and so bright. So beautiful. I absolutely love this. And you can't tell this from the screen, but the quality on these t-shirts are really nice. The thickness of it, the quality of it, I feel like it will last through several washes for a very long time. I feel like the stains, if you get it stained, will come out. It's just that type of material, that weightiness to it. I like this. I think it's worth the spend, but let me get on to the rest because I have so many more to show you. The next one is so stinking cute. I cannot even. I can't. So this one has the most adorable bear on here wearing, you know, sort of a hip-hop style, hip-hop nod to the brand. It has it is also wearing one of Notre Designs t-shirts, which I do have this t-shirt, and carrying the Haitian flag, slouchy jeans, and some kicks. I see myself actually wearing this not in an athletic way, but more in a preppy style because of this bear. It gives me Polo Ralph Lauren vibes. So I think I would be rocking this sort of preppy style. This will definitely be good for going boating, going for picnics and things like that. Just sort of anything that you would do sort of in a preppy way. I think this is a great look for that. And you could also, you know, go to the other end of this and make it more sporty, hip hop, urban, and mimic the style of the bear. But I just, for some reason, just put me in Polo Ralph Lauren vibes, and that's how I would probably rock this one. This one I haven't seen yet, so let's discover it together. This is, I don't know, is this black and white or navy? I see this being more like sexy vibe. Let's see. This one gives me Tommy Hilfiger. I keep bringing up other brands, and I don't know why, because this is my headspace just goes to throwback brands that I grew up loving, and so I'm always thinking about that. So this gives me Tommy vibes, and this one says Haiti down from top to bottom. 1804 is the year of independence. I love that, and it says just Haiti here. I love the colors, the red, white, and blue. It feels good for summer. I think I would make this super cute, maybe with some boy shorts or something like that. I would make this super, super cute. I don't know. I was thinking this might have been black and white, and if so, I would have done it with a more sexy vibe. But this one I can do with boy shorts, make it more athleisure. I think this is super, super cute. This one I have not seen. Again, all kinds of surprises. Love it. This one is also another navy color. Oh, this one's very cute and simple. This one I would, I don't know. I'm gonna have to surprise you with how I do this one. I'm feeling like this will go with a skirt. What do you think? I think that just because it says love on here, and the L on the love is the island of Haiti. It's the shape of the island of Haiti, right? You can see that. So cute. I love this. I think it would be good to feminize this one. If I were wearing this one, I would definitely do this with like a skirt. I'm thinking like a maxi or midi denim skirt that shows off the curves. This one would be super, super cute. This next one is like the other one that I showed you at first that was white, but the tan is giving me neutral vibes. I'm wondering if I could do, I feel like I could make this more like an office look, you know, use this more like a underlayment of like a vest underneath a blazer. I feel like this could definitely go into the office and give a little peek or a pop of color, a little surprise underneath. I think that's what this would do. I like this look, and again, I already shared with you, I love the design. This tan is just, I don't know, it's making me think creatively, different ways that I could even imagine wearing this. But let's see how I style this, and let me know your opinion. Again, loving the vibes of this. I love the message. God made Haitian women, and it was good. Yes. And lastly, the hoodie. You guys know, at my core, look at me today. At my core, I am a sporty girl, tomboy, all of the things. Yes, and so this speaks to that. I think I would definitely rock this in a hip-hop way with jeans and gym shoes, kind of like looking like that bear was on that other t-shirt. I would definitely do this with like jeans, gym shoes. Another way I would style this is probably with some sweats and some pumps, just to kind of, you know, keep you on your toes, keep you thinking, right? I would definitely try to do something a little bit different with this one, but I absolutely love the message. Now listen, all of these, I always say this, the story of the Haitian Revolution story, the fact that a all black country was able to gain independence from slavery, get their own country, is such a strong and inspiring story. I don't think you need to be Haitian to want to rock this stuff. It tells of, whether you realize it or not, tells about, as people, as humans, tells about our strength, our resiliency. I just love the story in general. I wouldn't have to be Haitian to love this story and want to rock this stuff and carry that heritage and that legacy on me, because I feel like it speaks to me. It speaks to you if you feel you're that strong type of person, or you're trying to draw from some sort of strength. I think this just tells such a great story, and it's such an empowering brand. I would grab something, even if you don't, you don't really know what to grab. I think this one is a perfect one, and it allows you people. It's a conversation piece. It allows people to come to you and say, well, what is that? That's not quite an L. What is that? And you get to tell that story, and you get to tell why it's meaningful to you, or why you're trying to draw strength from that story. So anyway, even if you're not Haitian, I think you would love this brand. But I'm so thinking about all the ways I'm going to wear these pieces, and I'm super proud to rock this brand. So I think, yeah, that brings us to the end. That's the end of all of these pieces. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna have so much fun styling all of these. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down. Oh, I almost forgot the secret code to get you a discount. Now listen, they sent me this code. I'm gonna share it with you as a thank you they gave me 10% off. So use the code REPEAT10, REPEAT10 to get 10% off of your next order. For me here in Chicago, that's super significant because our sales tax here is 10.25%. So this would take care of my tax essentially. I absolutely love getting these little surprise things where I get a discount. I hate buying things full price. And if you're anything like me, you will love this code. So REPEAT10, go ahead and grab something. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.